Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Chatgpt to create a TradingView indicator. This is a powerful way to create custom scripts and bring trading ideas to life, even without advanced coding skills. Let's get started. On the TradingView dashboard, if we want to create an indicator using Chatgpt, we first need to open a new tab and go to Chatgpt. Here, we just need to click on New Chat. Then, we simply type Create Indicator for TradingView. Let's use this as an example. Chatgpt will then give us a code. As you can see, this is our Pine script code. Once it's ready, all we need to do is copy the code. After copying it, let's go back to TradingView. To paste the code, we just need to click on File in the lower right part of the TradingView dashboard. Then, we simply paste the script. Right-click and paste so the code appears. Once that's done, just click Save, then click Add to Chart. If there is an error, we need to debug it so it runs properly. For example, let's delete this part. As you can see, there is a simple image here. The indicator has now been added to TradingView. Just copy and paste. Chatgpt will help build the indicator, and that's how we use Chatgpt to create a TradingView indicator. With this approach, we can quickly build and customize tools to support our trading strategy.